Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the hard drive and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the hard drive out of the system. Flip the hard drive over and remove the 2 screws to slide it out of the system. To reinstall the hard drive, slide it back in the system and install the 2 screws. Flip the hard drive over, place it back in the system, install the 2 screws, and reconnect the cables. Secure the side cover by tightening the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.